Do you want Wraith's iconic kunai knife? It's one of the most sought after heirlooms in Apex, and today I'll show you exactly how to get it without wasting your money. First, let's clear this up. Wraith's knife isn't unlocked by leveling or challenges. It's tied to the heirloom system. Here's how it works. When you open Apex packs, you get a chance to get Heirloom Shards. These shards are the currency you'll use to unlock any heirloom you want, including Wraith's Kunai. So step 1, you earn or buy Apex packs. And in the off chance that you get an heirloom shard, you'll immediately get 150 of these. So you only need to get lucky once, but that said, it's not an easy way to get. But once you do get 150 heirloom shards, head to the Mythic store and select Wraith's Kunai and confirm the purchase, and it's yours permanently. A little pro tip, don't stress about luck. Apex has a guaranteed system. If you haven't pulled after 500 packs, the game will give them to you automatically. So whether you get them early or at the guarantee, patience pays off. I've been playing since the first season, and Wraith's Kunai still feels like the cleanest heirloom in the game. So keep on grinding those packs, and when you finally unlock it, you'll feel that energy shift in every fight. Good luck, and I'll see you in the Outlands.